The process of losing weight can be challenging, and it appears that everyone has a unique viewpoint on the strategy that will be most successful in accomplishing this goal. There is no magic bullet approach to weight loss that is guaranteed to be successful for each and every person. Today we are going to talk about 10 behaviors for healthy weight loss. Before starting, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Know where you are starting. Keep a record of everything you consume over the course of the next 3 days. Keep track of everything you put into your body, from liquids to solids, as well as the quantities of each. This includes the food and drinks you consume. Find out how often you eat meals away from home, have food delivered, or buy food while you're out and about. This will help you figure out how often you need to pack a lunch. Home in on your goal and make a plan. Where do you plan on going next? Do you want to shed some pounds while simultaneously enhancing your overall health? Do you pine for the day when you'll be able to put on a comfortable pair of jeans? What specific actions are you going to take in order to reach your goal? Do you intend to cook more meals at home in the near future? Are you going to make an effort to eat less at each meal? Be specific and start out on a relatively small scale. Identify barriers to your goals and ways to overcome them. Do you believe that you will be able to make it to the gym despite the amount of work that you currently have on your plate? Wake up 1 hour earlier than you would have done so normally. Have you ever been unable to cook food at home because the pantry lacked the necessary ingredients? If so, how did you feel? You should do some research on the internet to find some healthy recipes. And after that, you should bring a list of the ingredients you'll need to make those recipes with you to the supermarket when you go to buy some groceries so that you don't forget anything. Identify current habits that lead to unhealthful eating. Do you unwind and reward yourself at the end of a long day by indulging in some of your favorite snacks while watching television? Do you skip lunch only to feel starving by the middle of the afternoon and be willing to eat anything that comes into your line of sight? If so, this could be a sign that you have an eating disorder. Do you finish everything on your plate, even if you start to feel full? Or do you leave some food on your plate? Control your portions. Get yourself acquainted with the standard serving sizes that are typically employed. Did you know that a single serving of meat or poultry is equivalent to 4 ounces, which is the same size as a standard deck of playing cards? Or that a single serving of pasta only constitutes a half cup of the cooked product? Identify hunger and satiety cues. Be conscious of the distinction between satiating your physical hunger and satisfying your emotional hunger. Do you eat whenever you experience a physical sensation in your body that is similar to the sensation that one experiences when they consume food? Or when you're feeling anxious, stressed, bored, tired, or sad, do you reach for food to comfort you? Because it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register signals from your stomach telling it to stop eating. You should make an effort to stop eating before you feel full. This is because you should stop eating before you feel full. Foods that are high in fiber, such as vegetables, whole grains, beans, and legumes. Foods that are high in protein, such as fish, poultry, and eggs. And water are all examples of foods that can help you feel fuller. In addition, drinking water can help you feel fuller. Focus on the positive changes. People typically need at least 3 months to make significant changes in their behaviors. Do not give up even if you find that you have made a mistake along the way. Get support from other people, and don't forget to acknowledge the positive changes you've already brought about in your life. Go with the 80-20 rule. Keep up your self-control for 80% of the time, but every once in a while allow yourself to indulge in a few of your favorite treats. You don't want to put yourself in a position where you'll feel deprived or like you're shirking your responsibilities. Focus on overall health. Discover activities that you take pleasure in partaking in and work them into your daily schedule. This could be anything from going for a walk to dancing, riding a bike, raking leaves, or gardening. Stay away from the diet section of the grocery store and focus instead on seasonal whole foods that are of the highest possible quality. Eat slowly and mindfully. Take pleasure in each and every bite that you put in your mouth. Devote some of your attention to appreciating the tastes, aromas, and varying consistencies of the dish that is currently sitting in front of you. Changing one's behavior takes time and energy on the part of the individual. If you take even a few baby steps today toward bettering your health, you will notice a significant improvement in the following day. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future videos.